Agentic artificial intelligence represents a fundamental structural departure from systems that merely enable human-computer interaction, moving toward autonomous systems that independently drive complex, multi-step transactions. It is not an incremental enhancement of generative AI. It is an entirely new operating logic for the enterprise. To understand what agentic AI is, we must look at its defining characteristic: autonomy. Traditional generative AI is inherently task-focused, stateless, and reactive. It operates in a vacuum, generating text or code strictly in response to step-by-step human prompting, relying entirely on continuous human guidance. Agentic AI, conversely, is proactive, goal-oriented, and stateful. It possesses intrinsic agency. Initialized with a high-level objective, such as launching a software product in a new market, an agentic system autonomously breaks the goal down into actionable subtasks. It perceives its environment, reasons through complex variables, formulates strategic plans, and executes real-world actions via external application programming interfaces, with minimal to no human intervention. The rationale for why agentic AI is used stems directly from its capacity to bridge the critical gap between digital reasoning and digital execution. Organizations are no longer deploying mere digital tools. They are deploying autonomous digital workers. The focus has shifted from exploratory generative pilots to measurable, structural cost reductions. The economic impact is profound. In customer service, multi-agent systems have driven the operational cost per resolution down from an average of $15 using human agents to just $2. In financial operations, agentic architectures have successfully compressed routine finance reconciliation cycles from 4 days a month to under 6 hours. Integration of real-time monitoring and autonomous routing in supply chains has yielded an average 22% reduction in logistics costs. High-performing enterprises report average return on investment multiples of 4.5 times on their agentic deployments. The decisive factor in the market is no longer scaling model parameter counts. It is deploying systems that can earn trust inside real, complex workflows and autonomously manage business processes end to end. The architecture of an agentic system operates across several distinct layers. First is perception and contextual ingestion. It parses raw data from digital user interfaces or databases, performing intent recognition to clearly map the boundaries of a request. Second is the reasoning engine, the cognitive core that synthesizes outputs using structured generation techniques. Third is strategic planning, where agents leverage frameworks like tree of thoughts to explore parallel branches of logic before committing to an action. Fourth is execution, where the agent dynamically invokes APIs to alter external systems. Finally, memory dynamics. To overcome the amnesia of early generative models, agentic systems utilize persistent memory architectures, including semantic, episodic, and procedural memory. Because modern enterprise scope often exceeds the cognitive limits of a single model, organizations deploy multi-agent orchestrations. Engineering these networks relies on specialized frameworks, like LangGraph for resilient graph-based architecture, CrewAI for role-based workforce modeling, or AutoGen for conversational flow. Granting AI systems execution privileges fundamentally alters the enterprise threat model. The focus shifts from what the AI says to what the AI does. The OWASP Top 10 for agentic applications highlights unique vulnerabilities, such as agent goal hijack and memory poisoning. Security must now focus on architectural resilience and zero trust for non-human identities. To manage these risks, governance models are bifurcating into human-in-the-loop for high-stakes, regulated environments, and human-on-the-loop for high-volume scale, where humans act as passive overseers. This necessitates a transition from the traditional graphical user interface to the audit interface. To combat review fatigue, user experience design now presents condensed dashboards that summarize an agent's chain of thought, highlight data provenance, and distill entire workflows into a glanceable confidence metric. The future of enterprise operations relies not just on advanced reasoning models, but on the ability to safely and reliably govern autonomous digital workforces.